This is an overview of the AIREO project, AI-Ready Earth Observation Training Datasets, a collaboration between iCheck, CeADAR and the European Space Agency. Earth observation, or EO data, has many diverse applications. Some examples include understanding climate change, monitoring disasters such as earthquakes, floods and fires, monitoring and enforcing policies such as in agriculture and fishing, as well as monitoring crops. However, working with Earth observation data has its challenges. Firstly, volume. The volume of Sentinel data distributed by ESA is over 10 petabytes per year. Variety. The data is collected from a diverse range of different types of sensors. Velocity. The data is often continually being collected. Veracity. Atmospheric conditions and other factors can affect the quality and the accuracy of the data that's available. And finally, value. It is often challenging to extract value for specific applications from all this data. AI and machine learning has been successfully applied across a diverse range of real-world applications. It is an ability to assimilate large amounts of data to find patterns automatically. It provides a scalable solution to analyze Earth observation data. But artificial intelligence and machine learning also has one key requirement. That is high-quality training datasets to develop and train these machine learning models. If we look at the state-of-the-art in Earth observation training datasets, we notice a number of challenges. There is a lack of high-quality training datasets available. There is also inconsistency in the formats and data specifications used. There's limited discoverability and interoperability across datasets. And we also see that many of these datasets are inaccessible for non-EO experts. The AIREO project is addressing these challenges through a number of approaches. Firstly, we are capturing Earth observation training dataset requirements. This involves reviewing the current practices and specifications for training datasets from the machine learning community. We are reviewing current data specifications and practices for Earth observation data. We have set up the AIREO network, which is a network of stakeholders from the AI and machine learning, Earth observation and general data science communities to consult for input. And we are generating a state-of-the-art report for capturing and disseminating this information. The project will develop a set of dataset specifications. These will leverage existing data formats in the Earth observation community, such as STAC and OGC, and dataset specifications from the machine learning communities, for example, COCO annotation format. The specifications will address metadata formats and parameters. They will be designed to follow a container format approach to support currently used EO data formats. They will ensure interoperability, encourage reproducibility, and follow FAIR data principles, that is, findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. And finally, they will be friendly to non-EO experts. In parallel to these dataset specifications, we will also develop best practice guidelines. These will cover aspects such as how best to label Earth observation training datasets, how to version Earth observation training datasets, how to ensure training dataset quality, how to pre-process Earth observation training datasets for machine learning models, and how to best distribute Earth observation training datasets. Finally, in order to support the adoption and use of the AIREO dataset specifications and best practices, we will develop pilot datasets together with the community. These will be accompanied by a Python library to ingest the datasets, as well as sample Python notebooks to demonstrate how to train machine learning models on these datasets. To become involved and contribute to the AIREO project, you can join the AIREO network. We will consult with the network for input on current activities and requirements for AIREO datasets. You can evaluate and review the AIREO dataset specifications and guidelines as they are being developed, and assess the pilot AIREO datasets, Python library, and notebooks.